If you're a pilot in Dubai, here's how you can own a property. Let's assume that you're a fresh graduate pilot in your 20s earning 20,000 dirhams a month. An average studio in Dubai costs around 720,000 dirhams. For any off-plan property, you need to put down a minimum of 20% to book the property initially. The 20% down payment is around 144,000 dirhams. Let's add in 4% DLD registration charges, which is 28,800 dirhams, plus an admin fee of roughly 5,000 dirhams. So the total down payment that you require to book the studio is about 177,800 dirhams. Now, since a basic pilot education costs around 700 to 750,000 dirhams, you probably already have this in savings, or if you don't, you can start by saving at least 50% of your salary for the first 1.5 years of getting a job, which would then amount to about 180,000 dirhams, making the down payment money. Payment plans in Dubai are usually grouped as 1% per month, which means that your monthly payment of 1% would be about 7,200 dirhams, which would go towards your installment. Let's assume that most developers have 5% bullet payments at least once or twice a year during the construction process. The 5% works out to about 36,000 dirhams, which is an additional saving that you have to pay on top of your monthly installment. But since your salary is 20,000 dirhams, let's assume 50% of your salary goes towards your living costs, which is about 10,000 dirhams, leaving you with a balance of 50%, which is another 10,000 dirhams. Out of that, if we assume that your monthly installment is 7,200 dirhams, that still leaves you with 2,800 dirhams as additional expense. Now keep in mind, this is only during the process of construction. At the time of handover, you will be required to pay about 25 to 30% of the entire value of the property. This can be mortgaged since you have a well-paying job, or if you have additional savings, you can even pay the entire 25 to 30% at the time of handover. And this is how in the next 3 to 4 years, you can own a property if you're in your 20s working as a pilot in Dubai.